Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can start trading with as low as 1 USD. So before we start, do it, subscribe, like, and as well share. So all you just need to do is to have some few USD, just 1 USD to 5 USD in your wallet. And the next thing you just need to do is to look for the particular cryptocurrency coin that you can trade with $1. You must also understand that it's not every particular coin that you can trade with $1. So you will look for a coin that are far below $1 in price. Okay, maybe we'll look for something like this particular coin. Maybe we'll look for something like H coin. So on reaching this H coin, you can just simply dive into your trading, since you know how to buy and also how to sell. Okay, so once you dive into your trade, you're going to click on buy here. Click on buy here without a waste of time. And when you sell, click on here. You click on sell here. By this time, I believe that every one of us knows how to buy and also how to sell cryptocurrency coin. So clicking on the buy now, it will now navigate you to where you can actually buy with the available money that you have. Okay, I said you must at least have not less than 1 USD in your wallet. Okay, so if you, after purchasing this particular coin, if you come to this place now, this shows the rate at which you are purchasing the particular coin. This place will now show you the quantity, how much is that $1 providing for you or buying for you. Then this place will show the amount that you wish to trade with. Then this T and sell will be where you wish to take your profit and also where you wish to stop your loss. Alright, and also where you wish to stop your loss. So what you just need to do is to come to this place now. Since this place you need the amount that you use. Okay, 1 USD. I'm going to use 1 USD. Okay, so you input your 1 USD here. After you input on your 1 USD here, you proceed to what? To buy. After you have set your take profit and also take loss. Okay, if you come to this place, you now look at, okay, your take profit now first, which is TP. Your take profit first. This is your take profit now. You now say, okay, I want to take profit when this particular coin gets to 0.08, and you say, okay, I want to stop my loss when this particular cryptocurrency coin reach 0.05. You can see how this thing actually works. You can see how this thing actually works. Okay, you can see this, how this thing actually works. So having done all of this, we're now going to what? Proceed to click on buy. You can see that the order value should be more than 1 USD. That is, you cannot trade this particular cryptocurrency coin with 1 USD. Okay, so we're going to look for another one. We'll look for another coin that will be able to allow us to trade them with just 1 USD. So on that occasion, we're going to look for a particular coin that has a lot of zeros. Okay, maybe we should try. So we'll look for a particular coin that has a lot of zeros, which is why we are going to use this paper coin. So coming to this particular paper coin now, we're going to use 1 USD as we prepared from the beginning. Okay, if we use 1 USD, we're going to come to this place now to set our take profit and also stop loss. So first thing you must set is your take profit. So now look at this particular coin, 0.12345. That's 5 zeros. Let's say we're taking our profit when this particular coin reaches 0.12345. When this particular cryptocurrency coin reach 3, we're going to take our profit. This is for educational purpose. I'm not saying that you should go and start trading with $1. This is for educational purpose. So without a waste of time, you can now simply move to where you can now simply move to stop loss. Okay, we'll now say, okay, we will stop our losses 1 2 3 4 5 when this particular cryptocurrency coin reaches 25. You can see we will now stop our losses. Then the next thing you just need to do is to click on proceed for you to what? To buy. Click on proceed to buy. So when you proceed to buy, the other value should be more than 1 USD. You can see, but there are a lot of cryptocurrency coin that you can actually purchase with 1 USD. All you just need to do is to be consistent in the market and make your own proper research before diving into any particular cryptocurrency coin trading. Okay.